In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WordPress website using Cloudways managed cloud hosting platform. This tutorial is perfect for those of you looking to start a WordPress site without getting bogged down in technical details. We'll walk through this in just 5 minutes, ensuring you have your website up and running swiftly. First, let's head over to Cloudways, a platform designed to simplify your cloud hosting experience. You'll want to open your favorite web browser and type in Cloudways, or simply follow the link from the video description. Once you're on the Cloudways homepage, the next thing you want to do is look for the login button. It's generally located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will take you to the login page. If you don't have an account yet, there should be an option to sign up, but for those of you who are already registered, go ahead and enter your credentials to sign in. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Cloudways dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all things related to your hosted applications. Scanning the interface, you'll notice a range of options and settings that you can dive into later. For now though, let's focus on the task at hand. On the dashboard, find the option labelled My Applications and click on it. This will reveal a list of your current applications hosted on Cloudways. From here, you'll want to click on the word Applications. This step will emphasize that you're now ready to delve into the specifics of your WordPress site. Once clicked, you'll see a detailed list of your hosted applications, along with their respective statuses and management options. Navigate through this list and select the Access Details option. It's crucial because this menu contains all the necessary access information and credentials you'll need for setting up and maintaining your WordPress site. Now, you're only a step away from getting into the heart of your WordPress site. Spot the admin panel link on this page and click on it. Doing so will open up the WordPress admin login screen. This is where you inject your site's personality, adding plugins, themes, and content that reflect the purpose of your website. If you have your admin credentials on hand, type them in and you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. Through these guided steps, setting up your WordPress site on Cloudways need not be an ordeal. With everything up and running, you now have the autonomy to edit, update, and expand your WordPress site as you see fit. Thanks for following along, and I hope this walkthrough simplifies your WordPress journey on Cloudways. Feel free to like, comment, or subscribe if you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy website building.